Hello friends, welcome to how to do it. Today I will show you how to change color of the text in HTML. If you want to change this text color, then how you can do it, I'll just show you. Alright. So first of all, alright, okay, this is the text. Now I'll change this color. So if you want to change color, you can just write color property. Then you can put the color name. Also, you can write the color code. Then this color already changed. If you write red, red. Okay, so you can put the color picker from this. That's it. So thank you for the watching, and please like this video and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.